Hey guys, welcome back. So first we are going to prep our Hassleback potatoes. So simply we're going to slice the potatoes, but not all the way through, just like this. Easy. Now for our whole chicken, I have some melted parsley butter here, and I'm just going to use a sprig of thyme and baste the chicken with the butter. As you may be able to see, I already put some butter on the pan, and I already buttered the other side of the chicken, so you don't have to worry about that. After basting the chicken, I am going to use a mixture of seasonings. I used what I had at the time, which is cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, Cajun, a little bit of chili pepper flakes in there, and yeah, I don't remember what else, but you can use whatever you have. People, be generous with your seasoning for this one. I cannot stress this enough. Be generous, okay? This is a blended seasoning I got as a gift from Jack's. It's an island spice marinade, and this one is the regular. I am just going to put it under the skin of the chicken, just like this. I am also going to put some inside the cavity of the chicken to ensure that all the flavor is locked in everywhere. So you guys remember the potatoes we did earlier? Yeah, it's time for those. So we're going to put it inside the foil pan with the chicken. And yes, I used a piece of scallion to tie the legs of the chicken. You can use a butcher's twine or whatever you have. Add some carrots, some onions, some bell peppers, some thyme, some rosemary. You can add celery as well if you like, garlic. Again guys, this is me using what I have. Be creative, go crazy. Now I am going to proceed to brush the potatoes with that same parsley butter I had from earlier, so the potatoes aren't too ashy and they get a nice color. Also, we're going to season it with some salt and pepper. So it's time to put this in the oven, and I'm going to bake it for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Now this varies depending on the size of your chicken. That's just the time I needed for mine. Also, if you wish, you can put the chicken on a cooling rack and put the foil pan underneath. The foil pan will catch all the excess juice, giving you a more consistent golden brown color all around. For the honey glaze, we're going to mix that melted butter with the honey. I'm also going to add some sugar, also adding some soy sauce, some salt, Yeah, I said that backwards. Anyways, some fresh squeezed lemon. You can use lime juice or orange juice if you wish, and some pepper flakes for a little heat. Mix that together. You can bring it to a boil if you wish. I completely forgot to video when I was basting the chicken. Anyways, you baste the chicken about 2 to 3 times throughout the whole cooking process and you're good to go. Enjoy.